Higher fat creams have a smooth texture, are more flavorful, and adds creaminess to pastry recipes. Because of this, it does not curdle when used in baking. Also, the quantity of butterfat found in the cream determines how stable it will be, and how well cream it will whip, and it holds its structure longer than whipping cream. The process of skimming the high-fat cream from raw dairy milk produces heavy whipping cream. Uses for heavy whipping cream on pastry fillings, toppings, and pipings. Heavy whipping cream makes eclairs, fruit tarts, and cream puffs. Also, used as piping for baked goods like cakes, cupcakes, and cookies. A great example of heavy cream's usage is to pair it with cookies that have chocolate ganache spread. It is another way to liven up your frosting on your cake. Desserts with heavy whipping cream comprise of chiffon, pudding, icebox cakes, cream pies, and cookies. Heavy whipping cream nutritional benefits. It is rich in nutrients. It has vitamin A that helps for better eyesight and strengthens the immune system. Calcium and phosphorus are both essential for maintaining healthy bones, and choline improves your brain functions and metabolism. It is abundant in calories since it contains at least 36% fat. On the contrary, light whipping cream, half and half, and light cream are low in the fat count. Heavy whipping cream is beneficial for individuals on a ketogenic diet since they can use this to add extra fat to their baked goods. Heavy whipping cream is ideal for pastry creams, cheesecakes, and ice cream. Uses for heavy whipping cream include mainly piping, toppings, and pastry fillings since it is a great thickening agent. Since it has a rich fat count, it whips into stiff peaks and soft peaks to make an airy whipped cream that is ideal for many desserts, especially pastry creams, cheesecakes, and ice cream. Ensure that you keep it chilled after buying it because it is perishable. What to do with leftover heavy cream? Do not let your heavy whipping cream go to waste even though it has a long shelf life, if it is stored in the refrigerator, and can be frozen since there are several ways to use leftover heavy whipping cream, such as making homemade butter. Begin with a few batches of it to shake the cream in a jar, then whip the cream in a blender or mixer until the buttermilk entirely separates. Likewise, by blending heavy whipping cream and milk, you can make sour cream. Pour it into an airtight container like a jar, then let it stand at room temperature for a day. Also, be sure to chill before using it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.